I can't imagine what the meeting was like at Jeep when the engineers got together and said, you know, I think we can put that Hellcat engine in our Grand Cherokee. Because that's exactly what you have with this 2019 Jeep TrackHawk. So you've heard of the Trailhawk, well now you have the TrackHawk, and this is a beast. 707 horsepower, and I gotta tell you, they have done a better job for less money than Mercedes-Benz AMG and BMW M. I'm talking about the GLE and X5, which are really the closest competitors. We could throw the Porsche Cayenne in there. Now those cars are more sophisticated and more refined, and they're luxury vehicles. But when it comes to just pure, raw muscle car power, it's really hard to beat this. So a lot of people think this is the replacement for the SRT. It's not. The SRT still exists, and that comes in just south of 70 grand. This comes in just south of $90,000. It's not cheap, but start doing the math. Dollars per horsepower, and it's kind of a bargain. So you've got all these different race modes. You could do the shift light, launch control, set your, set what RPM the launch control will activate. It's pretty sophisticated. I don't think many people are actually going to have the kind of fun you're supposed to have with this vehicle, but it's nice to know you can. Inside, carbon fiber, Alcantara, very nice refinements. Again, this is a performance SUV that can also go off-road if needed, but this truly is a TrackHawk. Well, that wraps up a week with this awesome Jeep Grand Cherokee TrackHawk, very appropriately named. We would have loved to have had the opportunity to take it on the track, but maybe another time, maybe at one of the upcoming track days. But for now, it's one impressive vehicle. That Hellcat engine in here, my God, 6.2 liter V8 supercharged, and made it to this ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. Just awesome. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Driver's Seat.